If you had to bet on one nation lasting forever, it's Assyria. But Zephaniah, he prophesied, and this one stopped everyone cold. The Lord will destroy Assyria and make Nineveh a deserted, waterless ruin. Animals will lie there, owls will hoot from its windows, and crows will caw on the doorsteps. The cedar wood will be stripped away. The city that thought itself safe and greatest in the world will become a desolate place where wild animals rest. Everyone who passes by will shrink back in horror. People would have laughed. Predicting Nineveh's fall was like predicting New York City will become a barren wasteland next Tuesday. Absurd, impossible, embarrassing even to suggest. Watch what happens to it. Nineveh fell in 612 BC, about 20 to 23 years after Zephaniah's prophecy, completely obliterated by the Babylonians and the Medes. So thoroughly destroyed that about 280 years later, or in 612 BC, Alexander the Great's army walked over Nineveh's ruins without realizing they were standing on the old capital of the Assyrian Empire. Today, archaeologists have excavated those ruins near Mosul, Iraq. Zephaniah called it decades before it happened. One down,